In this video, I'll guide you through the how to suppress contacts in HubSpot, ensuring that your email campaigns reach only the intended audience. Suppressing contacts can be a crucial step, especially if you want to avoid sending emails to certain groups or lists, such as those who have opted out or those who shouldn't receive specific communications. Let's dive in and make sure you're set to manage your contacts efficiently. First, let's navigate to the email editor within your HubSpot account. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and sending your marketing emails. Once you're in the email editor, you'll want to look for the Send or Schedule tab. This tab is your gateway to setting up all the particulars of your email send out, from timing to target audience specifications. Now, as you click on the Send or Schedule tab, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to tailor your email campaign. Among these options is the Don't Send to drop-down menu. This feature is incredibly useful for suppressing contacts, allowing you to exclude specific lists from receiving your email. It's a handy tool for maintaining clean and targeted communications, ensuring that your message only reaches those who should be receiving it. Selecting a list to suppress is straightforward. Simply click on the Don't Send to drop-down menu. Here, you'll find a list of all available contact lists. These lists may include those who have previously unsubscribed, contacts who have not engaged with your emails recently, or any other group you've created that should not be part of this particular email campaign. Take your time to review the lists and select the ones that are relevant to suppress for this email. By choosing a list, you're effectively telling HubSpot to exclude all the contacts within that list from receiving your email. It's a powerful way to respect the preferences of your contacts and maintain good sender reputation. This action helps in reducing spam complaints and ensuring your emails land in the right inboxes. Once you've selected the appropriate list to suppress, you can proceed with finalizing your email. Double-check all your settings to ensure everything is in place as desired. Make sure your email content is polished and that all other settings, such as the send time and subject line, are correctly configured. Remember, suppressing contacts is not just about exclusion, it's about targeting your emails effectively and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. By regularly maintaining and updating your suppression list, you can keep your email campaigns efficient and well received. I hope this quick tutorial has made the process of suppressing contacts in HubSpot clearer and simpler for you. Taking these steps will help optimize your marketing efforts and enhance the overall performance of your email campaigns. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.